Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of exercise 12.3 from the chapter area related to circle. In this video we will discuss about solution of first 4 questions. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 is find the area of the shaded region in figure if PQ means this line segment PQ is equal to 24, PR means this one. Okay, PR is equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. Okay, as you can see, PQ is a chord, okay, and PR is another chord. The value of these two chords are given as 24 and 7 respectively. You have to find the area of the shaded blue region. Here QR is the diameter of the circle because QR passes through the center O. Therefore, this RPQ, this angle is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because this angle is equal to 180 degree. Means you can say that this ROQ angle is equal to 180 degree because it is diameter of the circle, and from class 9 you have learned that angle in semicircle is right angle, means this angle will be half of this one which is created with the center. Okay, so this angle will be 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degree, or you can say that, you can easily say that this angle in semicircle is right angle. Now since this angle is 90 degree, so this triangle QPR becomes right angle triangle. Okay, now in this right angle triangle, base is given as 7 centimeter and perpendicular is given as 24 centimeter. So you can easily find the value of the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 1 minute. So by Pythagoras theorem, it will be RP square plus PQ square is equal to RQ square. Put the value of RP and PQ respectively. If you do the calculation, the value of RQ will be 25. That means the value of the diameter becomes 25. So the radius will be 25 by 2 centimeter. Now you need to find the area of shaded region. Now look at here. If you find the area of this semicircle, and if you subtract the area of this triangle from it, you will get the area of this blue region, right? So the shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of the triangle PQR. Area of semicircle is half into pi r square, where r is 25 by 2. Okay, and area of triangle PQR, area of this triangle, since it is a right angle triangle, so you can use the formula half into base into height. Okay, here the base is equal to 7, height is equal to 24. Okay, just do the calculation, you will get the area of PQR. So half pi r square minus half PR into PQ. Put the values in place of pi, use 22 by 7. After doing the calculation, the area will be 4523 by 28 centimeter square. In this way you have to solve question number 1. Now question number 2. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure if the radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and AOC angle is equal to 40 degree. Use pi is equal to 22/7. Okay, look at here. Concentric circles means these two circles having same center. Okay, these two circles having same center O. That's why they are concentric. Now, if you look at the diagram, it is given that the radius for the smaller circle is 7 centimeter. So you can say OP is equal to OD is equal to 7 centimeter, and OA is equal to OC, that is the radius for the bigger circle is equal to 14 centimeter, and also this angle of the sector is given, that is theta is equal to 40 degree. You need to find the area of this green section. So how can you find the area of this green section? Okay, look at here. First of all, you will find the area of this minor sector. You will find the area of OAC minor sector, and then from that value you will subtract the area of OBD minor sector. If you subtract the area of OBD minor sector from OAC minor sector, you will get the area of this green section. Okay, and for both this minor sector, theta value is same, it is 40 degree. Okay, easy. So the area of shaded region is equals to area of the sector OAFCO, that means this bigger one. Okay, minus the area of OBEDO, that means the smaller one. If you subtract it, you will get the area of this green section. Now the formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square for both of the minor sector. For the first one, the radius will be 14 square because the radius of the bigger circle is 14. For the next one, in the place of radius it will be 7. Theta will be same, 40 degree. Just do the calculation, you will get 154 by 3 centimeter square. Now question number 3, find the area of the shaded region in the figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. Okay, look at the figure. You have to find the area of this green section. Okay, where it is given that ABCD is a square of 14 centimeter. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to 14 centimeter, and these two are semicircle. So you can easily say that the diameter for both of the semicircle is equal to 14 centimeter, because AD is the diameter for this semicircle and CB is the diameter for this semicircle. So the diameter for both semicircle is 14 centimeter, means radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so you can easily find the area of one semicircle, each semicircle. It is half into pi r square. Do the calculation, you will get 77 centimeter square. Okay, and you can so if area of each semicircle is 77, so area of two semicircle will be 2 into 77, right? Now look at the figure. If you find the area of this whole square and then subtract the area of this semicircle and area of this semicircle from the area of the square, okay, then the only remaining part will be area of this region. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the area of two semicircle from the area of the square. So area of the square is equal to side square, that is 14 square, that is 196. Area of each semicircle is 77. So area of two semicircle is 77 into 2, that is 154. So the area of the shaded region will be 196 minus 154, that is 42 centimeter square. In this way we have to solve question number 3. Now question number 4. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure where a circular area of radius 6 cm has been drawn from the vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as center. Okay, so what is given? Given that this one is a equilateral triangle where each side is equal to 12 cm, and where is the circular arc of, and this one is a circular arc of radius 6 cm. Okay, that means the value of r is given as 6 cm and the side of the equilateral is given as 12 cm. Okay, you have to find the area of the shaded region. That means you have to find this whole region. So you can easily see that to find this whole shaded region, you have to find the area of this triangle. What will be the area of equilateral triangle? It is root 3 by 4 into side square, that is root 3 by 4 into 12 square. If you do the calculation, it is 36 root 3 centimeter square. So you got the area of this section. Okay, now for this circular region, how can you find the area of the circular region? As you can see, this triangle is an equilateral triangle, so you can say that AOB angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, because each angle for equilateral triangle is 60 degree, right? So if you join this circle, this is 60 degree and the radius is 6 cm given. So you can easily find the area of this minor sector by the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square, where theta is equal to 60 degree, r is equal to 6 centimeter. So first of all, find the area of this minor sector. Put in the formula, the area of this minor sector will be 132 by 7 centimeter. But you need this section, right? So as you can see, this circular region, the area of this circular region will be area of circle minus the area of this minor sector. Okay, so the area of whole shaded region, will be area of circle minus the area of sector, area of this whole circle minus area of this sector. If you do the subtraction, you will get this region. Okay, after getting this region, add the area of the triangle with it. So look at here, area of circle minus area of sector. After the subtraction, you will get this green portion. 1 minute. After the subtraction, you will get this green portion. Then add the area of the triangle with it plus area of triangle. Now just put the values to the calculation. You will get the answer as 36 root 3 plus 660 by 7 centimeter square. In this way we have to solve question number 4. So this is all for today. Thank you.